Advance tax. As per the Income Tax Act, what is advance tax? The name itself says what is advance tax. Advancely paying the tax is advance tax. Let us go into it. Definition section 208 of Income Tax Act describes advance tax is the amount of income that is paid much in advance rather than a lump sum payment at the year end. So the financial year starts from April 1st to ends in the March 31st. After that, you are computing your income and asset, everything and all. Then later on, you are paying the tax. So before that, you are paying in advance. That is called advance tax. Instead of lump sum, you are paying in installments in advance. That is called advance tax, also known as earned tax. Advance tax is to be paid in installments as per the due dates decided by the income tax department. Then let us see the advantages of advance tax. What are the benefits of advance tax? So benefits of advance tax are it reduces the burden of paying tax at the last moment. People will rush, there will be a lot of crowd in the return filing center, so that can be avoided. It helps in mitigating stress that a taxpayer may undergo while making tax payment at the end of the fiscal year. Right? Then it saves people from failing to make their tax payments. So these are the advantages of advance tax.